Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making some baked mango breakfast cheesecake bars using some homemade dripped yogurt cheese. If you haven't seen that recipe already, then we're going to link that one below for you to check out, and you can also see a bit more about that on our website. This recipe is a great one and it's really simple, just made of 3 parts. We have a simple base, a yogurt filling and a mango puree. We're going to start with the base, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to be baking the base, so I've got the oven preheating to 180 degrees Celsius. I've also lined a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter square cake tin with some baking paper. We're going to mix all of our base ingredients in a bowl and then press it into the tin and get it into the oven. Add 2 cups of rolled oats, half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of plain flour or gluten-free flour, and 1 cup of coconut sugar. Give that a mix together and then add 140 grams of cubed room temperature butter. Use your fingers to rub the butter through the dry ingredients until well incorporated and crumbly. Set a third of the mix aside for later and place the remaining mix in the base of the square tin. Press it down evenly to create a firm base and then bake it in the oven for around 10 minutes or until golden. Then take it out and let it cool down completely. Now I'm going to move on to the yogurt cheese filling. I've got 500 grams of dripped yogurt cheese that I've made in the Pure Plus yogurt maker. Into this bowl, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of honey, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it all together until smooth and then pour it straight over the cooled base. So now I've got the base and I've got the yogurt cheese filling. Now I'm going to top it with some mango puree. And I've just got 1 fresh mango chopped up. I'm going to put it into the blender to puree quickly and then pour it gently over the top of this cheesecake mix. Once you've got the mango on top, then you can go back to that extra crumble that you set aside earlier. Mix through half a teaspoon of cinnamon and crumble it straight over the top of the mango. You can also sprinkle some extra coconut sugar over the top as well if you like, that's optional. And then bake it again for another 25 minutes. When it's done, take it out of the oven and let it cool down in the tin completely. Then place it in the fridge to chill and set. So this has been in the fridge now overnight and it's ready to eat. I'm going to slice it up into bars, some to eat now and the rest can go into the fridge in an airtight container and that will last 3 to 5 days. So that's our recipe for today, baked mango cheesecake bars, another way to change up your breakfast routine or just to have a healthy snack during the day. We hope you liked this one today, and if you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes so you don't miss out on anything. Give this one a go at home and let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you liked this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll catch you again really soon for another healthy recipe.